Welcome back everybody. Happy 100k to all the Bitcoin holders or hodlers. You had to wait for it for a very long time, but we finally did it, and BTC is holding above 100k. That is very important. Congratulations once again. I think a lot of people will be FOMOing in. Michael Saylor is happy, and Peter Schiff will probably commit suicide. Crazy times. And I think it's time for us to look at the price and what kind of trades we can take. Believe it or not, but yesterday we, with the quote-unquote crew, went long from this golden pocket that you see right here. What do I mean with that? Well, we're having a 1k to 10k trading challenge completely for free. You can join if you want to. Link of the Discord is in the description, very good, description at the bottom of this video. You see all this 100k makes me super exciting, and you can join there. It's completely for free, no strings attached, and I would say you're very most welcome. I said also there that I'm looking here for this long, and that long was then the golden pocket, and it was the idea of clearing these lows and the previous day EQ. I also said it in the Discord. Whoops, let me see, it's right here. I said I'm opening up a small long position because of the golden pocket and previous day EQ, and we're clearing the lows. So far the reaction is not the best. It took a long time, but eventually said buyers are finally stepping in, and I also said we're reaching the daily open and the VWAP, I'm taking some profit. Now that was of course much lower. Did I expect it we will reach 100k a couple hours later? No, of course not. That's a nice bonus. I'm still in for a small part of the trade. But if you want to be able to also catch these kinds of trades, then please feel free to again join the Discord. It's completely for free. We will continue our 1k to 10k trading challenge. We just started, so we're off to a very good start. Now let's really move over to BTC and the trading setups, because there's actually quite a lot. I'm not going to draw them all in. There's actually really a lot of trades that we can take from this area on. I draw in a small fib retracement just from this local low to this high right here, back to the golden pocket 78.6 would line up with this trend line. That could be a long. If we would then also maybe take the liquidity underneath these lows, that would be nice. Then we're going long from there, or maybe from this low right here. Maybe a SFP of the highs would also be a short for me. If we would lose this and backtested it, that would also be a short. This idea would then also be kind of strengthened with the idea that we have right now bearish CVD. And what is that? Well, that is then when open interest is going up, so we have more positions opening. The CVD also goes higher. So what are these kinds of positions? Those are long trades, but price is unable to make higher highs. So there is someone who is eating all of those long orders, and then eventually they can push price lower. So if you have a rising CVD and price is unable to make higher highs, and then of course strengthening with open interest, then that is a full-on confirmed bearish CVD. Now of course if price would push higher, then the whole bearish CVD scenario is completely out the window, because then buyers are able to make a higher high. But it's just a idea that I have for taking the short. Is there confirmation? Yes, bearish CVD. That's just what I'm trying to tell you. So there are already quite some trades. SFP here, bearish CVD, long here from the golden pocket, long here from one of these lows. And we could also have a long here from this value area high. That's the macro value area high. You can also see that earlier, a couple hours before this recording, that price tried to push higher twice, and then on the third time it went higher. Also actually had a nice coiling up to eventually have the breakout. This could be a very nice long trade. We also still have that all-time high that we created, so I would more see it then kind of as an area. So we could bounce off from this level right here, that is then at and around that 99,600, or this level right here. I would see that as an area. Keep in mind though that when we came up here, this was a very fast move, so this can also be a very fast move down. So if you eventually go down and this is a big dump, I would not preset any orders here. I would just see how price reacts and then eventually get into the trade. But keep in mind that the move down might be a very fast move. The move down might be very fast, because also we had a fast move up. all in all, eventually if we would break lower, would that be all out of the ordinary? No, absolutely not, because BTC has been trading in this very big range for a long time. Matter of fact, let me go to the 4 hour, then it's a bit more clear. And now we're breaking out, but let's say in a couple days from now we would just go back into the range, then it was just nothing more or less than a deviation of the current range. Eventually you're breaking out, you spend some time there, and then you're going back in. And then the principle would say that you eventually trade to the bottom of that range again at then around 90k. And yeah, that's just really what it is. So I do not expect that we're finally now going to pump up to 130, 150, 200k. That's it. YIPI-KAYEE, everyone a Lamborghini. That is absolutely not what I'm thinking. This is still just a trading range, and it is what it is. And if we break out and we go higher, then eventually we'll find new setups, but this is for now how I'm looking at it. I'm also looking at much more alts, because a lot of them have been moving. I'm looking at ETH. I'm updating the community multiple times a day with a video, with chart setups, with some comments, the trades that I'm taking. Yesterday we took 3 trades. You can also check that out on my Twitter. And before you're whining, yes, I am one of those psychos who have 50 of those tabs open. Man, it takes a long time. Hope you guys, by the way, can see this and that I'm not locked in onto one screen. There you go. So we had a long on sign. Eventually I said please close this at break even, because I think we're gonna dump, and we also did dump, so that we saved the community from a loss there. And then eventually we even went short on Doge, because it was just looking bearish, and the value area high here was lost. Took some profit here, and we had the golden pocket to do so. And then eventually also we took the long here on BTC, as you can see. Very nice here from the golden pocket, and also here you can see that we took profit along the way. So again, if you want to join the training challenge and the community, feel free to do so. It's completely for free. Link is in the description. Now I said it correctly. And I see you guys very, very soon again. Next one. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. And of course you can also always share this video. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one. Happy 100k. Yippee-ki-yay.